So today we are going to talk about model 5, which is contain of the cryptocurrency, security and privacy, and payment in e-commerce. Let's start with the blockchain basic introduction to distributed ledgers. The blockchain distributed ledgers technology is revolutionizing the way organizations conduct their business transaction. Distributed ledgers is a type of database which is shared among other and decentralize the network. The role of the business ledgers today connected and integrated world economics activity take place in business networks that span national geographics and just jurisdictional boundaries. Problem with current business lectures is deficiency in many ways, such as inefficiency, costly, and subject to misuse and tampering, and it lacks of the transparency as well as susceptibility to corruption and can lead to disputes. What is blockchain? The blockchain is a temporal evidence share digital ledgers that record transaction in a public or private peer-to-peer network. And how blockchain network works. Instead of relying on third party, it uses the consensus protocol to agree on ledger's content and graphics hash and digital signature to ensure the integrity of transaction. Business profit of blockchain it the ledgers business can save time and cost while reducing the risks. And blockchain application, for example, in finance, blockchain network allows security trade to be settled in minutes rather than days. In supply chain, blockchain network allow the flow of goods and payment to be tracked and locked in real time. What is ledgers? Hyperledger is an open source effort to advance cross-industry blockchain technology for business use. And the last one is Get Started Blockchain. IBM is a leader in secure open source blockchain solution built for the enterprise. Thank you.
The next one, making sense of Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and blockchain. First one, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the name of this known cryptocurrency, the one for which blockchain technology, and it was created. Next, cryptocurrency is a medium of exchange like US dollar. And the last one, blockchain. It is a technology that enables the existence of cryptocurrency. And blockchain also has like a potential application for beyond Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. It's helpful to think of blockchain technology as a type of next generation business process involvement software. For an example of cryptocurrency, we can start with money is no object. And for a deeper dive into cryptocurrency, you can read about Crypto Center, or it's an open source of knowledge on all things about crypto. Or you can read Carving Up Crypto because it provides an overview of how regulators are thinking of cryptocurrency in financial service. For a deeper dive on specific topic that related to blockchain, we recommend a strategic guide to blockchain, building block, or how financial service can create trust in blockchain. And you can see how blockchain work in the picture below.
Okay, the next one is GDPR. GDPR is a general data protection regulation. It is codified and unified data privacy laws for all European Union member countries. Why it is important to the businesses? Penalty for non-compliance with the provision of the GDPR regarding collecting and using personal data are highly destructive. And who does the GDPR affect? The GDPR is applicable to any business collecting personal data from a citizen of the EU. And when did the GDPR go into effect? Enforcement of the GDPR in the European countries went into effect in May 25 in 2018. Key provisions of the GDPR is a consent and breach notification, right to access, right to be forgotten, data portability, privacy by design, data protection officers, and the last one is penalty for non-compliance. And how can people learn more about the GDPR is access to a complete version of the EU General Data Protection Regulation or in the website www.gdpr and -info.eu. That's
Next one is why smartphone are privacy nightmare. First, geo-tracking. Smartphone enables tracking features through GPS chip. During navigation, also be tracked by accelerometer, barometer, and magnetometer. It is useful for law enforcement that can track suspects, but the drawback is it can be used for a phishing attack. Next one is malicious apps. Installing apps, especially for no reputation apps, and agree to the app permissions can expose the information that more than required. And the next one is Wi-Fi tracking. The Wi-Fi connection is convenient but also invade privacy. For example, they use track shopper analysis to determine the behavior of shoppers. Next one is lack of antivirus software. Antivirus software that are installed can be faked by antivirus apps, which actually malware, so it can affect the security of the phones. Next one is camera could be watching you. Smartphones are a security risk because it can be used to spy by hacker using remote exploitation. Next one is microphone eavesdropping. Microphone is another security risk. It can be used for data collection by eavesdropping on private conversations. Next one is lack of security patches. The lack of support for Android, such as security updates, can lead to be insecure devices. The last one is beware the backdoor. The user's data could be shared with a foreign government via a backdoor because they can access users' smartphone whenever they want.
The next topic is payment system e-commerce comparison and review. In the online payment for e-commerce, you can assert that there are three different types. First one is bank payment gateways or virtual POS. Second one is virtual payment wallet. Third one is other electronic payment system for e-commerce. For the first one, virtual bank or POS payment gateway. These are the payment system provided directly by the banks or service with which they are associated. Or second one, virtual payment wallet. There are alternative methods, even if there are identical systems that come from banks with an edge over those in India. The various PayPal, Braintree, Stripe are part of this group. For example, for this type, there's PayPal, Pro, Stripe, Braintree, Skrill, Multi-Safe Pay, Google Wallet, and more. And like each of these has its own advantages and disadvantages. And for the last one, other electronic payment system for e-commerce. For example, there's cash on delivery. The method of payment by means of cash on delivery or payment is widely used in India, even if there is a counter trend also thanks to market marketplace such as R2, Amazon. And next one is transfer. The advanced bank transfer is preferred method by merchants because it does not have a real collection cost, even if in reality it brings with it a work commitment. Every day you have to check the arrival, match them with the orders, awaiting payments, make a matching and in make a matching in a manual way to authorize the shipment of the product. Next one is postpay, and last one is financing. So in conclusion for this topic, there are plenty of payment methods. The range of offer is very wide. The first choice we need to make is related to commission costs. The second is related to market because proposing an annual payment in India is usually in the same way proposing in the United. The more if you then from India it's impossible or to burdensome.
Okay, the next topic is cryptocurrencies in e-commerce. Method of payment for e-commerce are varied, but the cryptocurrency can be used for e-commerce as well. So the benefit of integrating cryptocurrency in the online store is security by the blockchain that are reliability and trustfulness to all transactions made electronically. Types of cryptocurrency that well known have three sections. First, Bitcoin. This type of cryptocurrency is used for exchange currency on the internet. Apart from credit card, debit card, bank transfer, and PayPal. The next one is Ethereum. It is complement for the Bitcoin, with people can create applications based on virtual currency. And the last one is Litecoin. The transaction of this commerce payment method is faster than any other cryptocurrency. Thank you for your watching.